Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT to level up your customer service communication like a boss. Make sure you share this video with your close friends. I'm going to jump right over to ChatGPT. Now, one thing I want to update. I'm continuing the use case from before. Make sure you're following the playlist on YouTube. And there are the previous videos. I'm using the example from the food truck. All right. Now, what I figured out is that ChatGPT, it saves your previous query. So I didn't have to post that again over and over again. It actually saves it. So now I'm back working on the food truck. It says food truck business help. And so now I'm curious about the customer service correspondence. So I can go ahead and start the conversation. Can you tell me the types of customer service letters or correspondence that I may need to send for my food truck business? All right, now if I could spell business. All right, so what I want you to see as I'm teaching you how to use this robot to generate this content, I also want you to see that it's helping you work up your ideas. It's not just delivering you the results of your questions. It's also helping you develop the ideas. So it's telling me there are many types. Oh, all right, let's try that again. We ran into a snag. Let's try it one more time. Okay, well, let's just repaste it. Everybody on earth is using ChatGPT today. So normally what I do is just do a refresh. It still says food truck business help, so I'll leave it there. Can you tell me the types of customer service letters or correspondence that I may need to send for my food truck business? Tell me, robot. There are many types of customer service letters or correspondence that you may need to send for your food truck business depending on your specific needs and goals. Here are a few examples. Apology letter. If you need to apologize to a customer for a mistake or a problem, right? Complaint response letter. If a customer files a complaint, for example, they give you a bad review, right? You can get a letter to respond. Refund or credit letter. If you need to issue a refund or credit to a customer, you can use a letter to explain the process and provide any necessary instructions. Thank you letter. Obviously, to thank your customer. Confirmation letter, right? So now that we have the types of letters, we can now go to the next step and we can ask the robot, we can say, robot, here's the thing. Can you write an apology letter for a customer that paid and got the wrong size order of garlic cheese fries? We will offer them a free order of large fries as a thank you for their business. Okay, let's see if it can write this letter, giving it this kind of just very basic situation. This is something that you could send a text to somebody, and boom, now you have this robot working 2 seconds after you had the thought. This is beyond game changing. This is as big a change to our status quo as Google. Now, Google, when it showed up, there were other search engines. Google just happened to be the best. I don't know of any other chat-based artificial intelligence that delivers quality like ChatGPT. This is out of control. So now you have the letter, and we apologize for the mistake that occurred with your recent order of garlic cheese fries. We understand that you paid for a large order and received a small order instead, and we deeply regret any inconvenience this may have caused. All right, this is a good letter that you don't have to write yourself. Let's think of another letter, okay? Let's think of a letter it did not recommend for us, just to show you the power of ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask it for a letter that this is actually a tip for you and your business. Can you write a letter requesting a referral, requesting that they recommend us to a friend, or write a review on their experience at the food truck, right? Can you write a letter requesting that they recommend us to a friend, or write a review on their experience at the food truck? This is something that you really need to do, is ask for reviews, ask for recommendations, ask your customers to refer you to other people that they know. Let's see if the robot's going to do that for us. It says, sure, here's a sample letter that you could use to request that a customer recommend your food truck to a friend, or write a review about their experience. Dear customer, we hope that you enjoyed your visit to Darnell's Good Eats and that you had a great experience with our food and service. If you were happy with your visit, we would greatly appreciate it if you would consider recommending us to a friend or leaving a review about your experience. This is beyond game changer. So what I wanted to do was talk about how to use ChatGPT to take your customer service communication to another level, like a boss. Now you can see the tone of your communication, and think about the impression that makes with your existing customers, and think about how they'll now value you and be willing to pay you that much more for your products. Now, make sure you subscribe to get all the tips. Go to howwhy.ai. I'm continuing the reports. We're breaking down how to use artificial intelligence to grow your business. Make sure you share this video with your good friends and your close acquaintances. Until the next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.